It's time for Catch Festival vlogging
in Cumbria,
in Appleby. We already set up in the hall. We dropped some stuff off there, but we came to volunteer at the front desk. Say hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul.
And we are selling raffle tickets. We're doing an EJC photo bingo, which I may or may not do later on. We're registering people. Unfortunately, we're here like at 6:30, and I think most people are already registered already. So. Anyway, coming up, food, and then the open stage. What was that?
We didn't take a photo of the food.
Yeah, we went for dinner at the Monte Griffo's frying circus. Really, it's a frying circus, not a flying circus. And yeah, now we're here for the open stage. Unfortunately, we're sitting behind Becky and Ewan, which means this could be a distracting open stage. I'm not sure. Never. Do that noise again.
That's really funny.
How's camping convention?
Okay. Thanks to new mat, it's good.
Kris, Kremo, Ball and Cigar Box Workshop.
And you do it 3, go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then actually you can go faster and faster. Yeah.
There's like a half spin this way for each box that comes out. It's the history of juggling trick show.
Well, before we start, I do want to let you know, photography is perfectly fine. Video is fine as long as you don't put it online if you want it for your own purposes, but pictures...
Damn it. So that's it for this show.
3 minutes.
What do you think of the show?
That was epic.
Lots of tricks.
Yeah, so many things.
Are you going to go and try some?
You are going to go.
I think I'm going to go try the whirly gig.
Okay.
Haven't got any videos today. Go to the bottom. Which one again?
Yeah. I see what you mean.
Lift it, turn.
Okay, don't everyone look at me. Everyone do something. No pressure.
That first.
Oh yeah! And nobody actually saw it in the end. Do you bring it down again? Back down again. Maybe not. Maybe don't do it then. Cinquevelli's, no, is it Cinquevelli's? Only surviving juggling prop. And Juliane is dropping it. Drop it. I dare you to drop it. No, you're not even going to drop it, are you?
No! Why would I drop it on my feet or what?
It's really heavy.
Almost.
It's definitely the heaviest thing I've ever spun on my finger.
Your finger's making funny things.
Yeah.
want to spin it, so you call it a success.
I call that one. That was it. It's a 1 second trick. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, Karen. Woo!
That's what I'd like.
Oh, I did it even with the collision in the air. Were you filming that one? Oh, I didn't know you were filming. I was like, quick, get the camera. I did it. And I did it. Looks good. Yeah, keep it going.
Clean finish.
Clean finish, that's good enough.
Relatively clean finish.
Does it look good?
First try.
That was it.
The previous version didn't actually look that impressive when we look back on camera, so now we're going to do the 7 club version of double back cross, triple back cross, zip into 7. Let's do this. He's doing the back crosses, I'm doing the crazy catch.
They might be really bad.
Didn't I tell you?
No kidding, we did actually get it on the attempt that you walked away. On the next attempt we actually got it. So thanks, that's good.
I can't believe that!
We literally just got it.
Yeah, literally the first time you turned away and walked away, and then we got it that time after like 20, 30 tries without it. Anyway,
Unbelievable.
But thanks for filming the times that we didn't get it. Thank you. Another show. What does stuff do? Did you enjoy it?
Oh, fantastic! It was
Yeah.
right up my street. I loved it.
Yeah.
It was
Best part?
intellectual. It needed. It was challenging to follow it,
Yeah.
but I could understand it.
But rewarding as well.
It was rewarding. I loved it.
Good. Thumbs
Yeah.
up from you as well. Yeah, really enjoyed it. And not too long either. Didn't I say it was bad? Like
Perfect.
45 minutes. I think all shows should be 45 minutes.
Yeah, really good. How's it?
Yeah, doing good. Julius beat me. Some
Oh.
epic point there. I was sure I'd beaten him like really easy, and I don't know how he got it. What did you even do in that point? It was something like... Yeah, alright, okay. Because it sounded very much like a really solid pitch for me, and I was like, alright, I got the points, and I had got the point.
It was like 3 minutes or something.
Yeah, it was a long point. Behind us is West Peden's zebra show, but what's up?
It's too warm, and we've seen it before, and
We've
it's
seen it
on
before.
the floor.
And he's doing it on the floor, and the staging's really bad because everyone's having to sit there, and like there's 10 rows of seats, and only the first 3 rows can see anything. And if we learn anything from the EJC special shows and open stages last year, is that if the staging is bad, don't let that ruin the good memories that we have of seeing this, the premiere last year. We've already seen the show.
In a perfect theatre.
Perfect theatre. So this time we're going to head outside where it's beautiful sunshine. So we're just going to go out and enjoy the sunshine for an hour and not sit in a sweaty room. Ah, yeah, look at this.
Come on,
It's time for the games. It's 5-ball endurance, which again, 6th place is my general limit. So let's give this a go.
Just keep doing that. It's
I didn't even get 5th or 6th. No, that's terrible. Like 9th, 10th. I was 10th place.
okay. And now let's just pancake it out. Pancake endurance. Go.
What? Pancake.
Pancake endurance. Pancake endurance. Commence the violence. Please don't spare the weak. Actually aim for the weak. I've had enough of him. He's quick though. Oh, yeah. Wow. That was wonderful. It's like the 100 meters at the Olympics. Oh, to the left, one left, blue takes it. Okay.
It's a dinner ticket.
If you can hold a hand down.
Gonna get breakfast in the morning with that, I think.
2, 1, gladiators. We have the first off. Do we have any first aiders on call? We've got 3 left. Things should be played again. But this is art, so you've got to try things. You've got to take risks. You've got to evolve. I love it. Oh, I love it. Hurt each other. I just got a winner now. Please don't hurt each other. I might call this a draw. I'm getting slightly scared for lose. It's a draw. It's a draw. It's a draw. Don't hurt each other.
Not unicycle, it's Unicycle Gladiators is my favourite new game, although I think am I bleeding there?
Yes, do you want the plaster?
No, it's fine, I'll just wipe it off, but
I mean,
yeah.
if you're going to do the balancing thing.
No, yeah, I'll be fine. I'll get this cleaned up.
Give the man 7 clubs of roughly equal weight.
Those are the same.
He's actually been waiting in the corridor just to take this moment and be cool. Again. 1. Wes wins a free meal. He probably already gets a free meal, so he might just give it away to a random stranger. Who knows? Here we go. As soon as Luke's back up. I'm not done yet. He's not done. Oh, he's not done yet. He's still going. Oh, no! Tom, Derek, you are the winner. Certainly.
I've lost flexibility, I can't do that trick anymore. I used to be able to do it.
Camping for weeks.
Yeah, I need to stretch my back out or something. Coin juggling, I won in Russia and got about 11 euros. Let's see what I get here. Oh, West Peden's in the EJC in 2012, or 13 or 11. He won 400 euros off me. It was me and him last 2, and he won like 4.
Juggling. If it drops,
When?
now. Engage half tower. Oh, that's too much for the Peden. Who's next? On back up again.
We can all do Mills Mess.
You can all do Mills Mess. Okay, we'll wait to Mills Mess.
Now?
Yes, please.
Ah, shit.
I couldn't have got it better.
No!
I've got 2 left. 60. And another one up for 60.
No!
Oh, winner, chicken dinner! That is the end of the games!
Alright, what's the damage lager?
So 18.95
Ah, okay.
and $0.75 of a dollar.
That's a few dinners. It's a, what do you call these? A nervous hand game, whatever, but with club balance.
Nervous nose game.
Nervous nose game. Oh, wow, why is it What's so difficult?
It's ridiculously hard, isn't it? I thought, yeah, I could probably do it a bit.
The thicker the lower get, so you just start to do.
Wow, that is freakily hard.
Let's want the going for the fluky, just run to the other
Well,
end.
I was going for like, can I make it so it tips this way then tips that way as it goes over the thing? Juliane is asking, what about all the balloons behind? It's a British juggling convention. It's like a tradition at all conventions in the UK. Lots of balloons before the show. And then a second before the show starts, pop them all, get them out the way, and then the show begins. You got to do the honours, Dad. Go for it. Go for it.
What, pop it?
Yes, of course.
Welcome everybody to the Catch 2018 Juggling Convention Gala Show.
Ain't no blow us, so DK was DOA, yeah, I know what you get on. I see you in your black dream.
How did you enjoy the gala show? Really good. Highlights? Kris Kremo?
John
really
Pete?
good. John Pete.
John Pete.
Oh, parents in front of me. What did you think?
Yeah, John Pete.
What did you think of the legend Kris Kremo?
Oh, he was good. Oh,
Yeah.
I just felt comfortable and just fantastic, you know. Been doing it for 62 years.
62 years, or is he 60? No, he's been performing for 62 years.
Wow.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Double and whee! Got it. That's 3 times in a row.
Yes.
Clean finish to 10 catches or 11 catches.
I'm not looking too awkward.
No, it's good. It's good. It's beautiful.